Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and in today's video I'm showing you how I achieved this hairstyle you see me wearing right here. This is something different from the wigs and everything that I normally would wear. Your girl has been trying to rock her natural hair lately, so yes sis, I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's get into it. Okay sis, so I'm starting off with pre-blow dried hair, as you can see. And y'all, when I say pre-blow dried sis, I mean like 2 weeks old. This hair has been blow dried for a long time. As you can see, it's kind of like matted up and stuff in the back, and I probably should blow dry it again, but I'm not, because I don't want to add more heat to it. As well, I had straightened the front because I've been wearing my hair in a bun lately, and yeah, I straightened the front. And again, this is like 2 weeks old, so this is what we're working with. And yeah, I'm just gonna start off by sectioning off my bangs. Y'all, and if you see like flakes or whatever, girl, it's just because I put my hair into a ponytail before I did this, and it's just gel, so don't do me. But anyways girl, I know I look crazy. Now I'm about to put this into a ponytail, and I'm gonna use some Eco Styler gel and some edge control, and this is just from my local beauty supply store. It's called True Edge Plus. Yeah. Oh, and to brush my hair into a ponytail, I'm going to use my denim brush. Girl, if you don't know, and if you don't use a denim brush to brush your hair into a high ponytail, sis, what are you doing? Like this, girl, I forgot which YouTuber I got this from, but she recommended natural hair people use a denim brush to put their hair into a ponytail. And girl, when I say it like gets all of the kinks, and I don't normally comb my hair with a denim brush at all, period. I only use it to define curls, but girl, this, use it. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna add the braiding hair. I got some Outre braiding hair. It just says jumbo braid, 100% Kankalon. And yeah, so I think I only need one. I think it comes in twos. Girl, I ain't got braiding hair in so long. And I thought it was supposed to cost $1, but it costs $2. Not that I'm complaining about $2, but girl, when did braiding hair start costing $2? I thought they were 99¢ a pack. Anyways, I guess it comes with one. The nerve of them, $2 for one. Okay, so it has it already split for us. And I think what I'm gonna do, girl, now bear with me because I done watched a lot of tutorials and people did it differently. And she split it. And then she put it like this. Girl, we ain't gonna do that. We ain't gonna do that. We just gonna put it on her. We just gonna put it around. So I'm gonna take this and just put it around and then go from there. I don't know. I'll tell you. So I put it on, put my ponytail, I put the hair around the ponytail, and now I just split it into two like so, and then I'm gonna do one side first. Okay, so it don't really matter how the first one looks because we're gonna go around with the second one and make it look a lot neater. So yeah, now we're gonna go in with the second one. And y'all, I'm just tucking my real hair inside of the Kankalon hair. Okay, sis, so now I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron my bang. The ponytail is up there. I mean, I guess it looks good for my first time, but anyways, I'm gonna flat iron my bangs, and I'm first gonna use some grease. This is just Blue Magic regular grease from Walmart, child. And if you know, you know, girl, this makes natural hair straighten so, girl, it's like very, very sleek, and it's just a must-have for me. If you don't need it, don't put it on there, but for me, it just like, it's just a must. I have to do it in order for my hair to just be like sleek and straight or whatever. But anyway, yeah. Girl, I don't know. I don't feel like it's flat ironing. Probably because my thing is on low. I just don't feel like burning my hair today. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit higher because I feel like it's not curling. Okay, there we go. We just needed a little bit more heat. It just needed some heat. Now I'm gonna flat iron these little baby hairs. And I'm not gonna add, well, I'm not adding grease, but I have grease still on my hands, so I'm just rubbing that through like that because I don't want it to be too greased down. And I'm gonna hurry up and do this because I don't want to be burning off whatever curls. Yeah, during the day it'll curl up, but yeah. Now I'm going to go in with some edge control because I didn't use edge control in the beginning because, like I told y'all, I had already put my hair in a ponytail, so it was like gel and jam or whatever edge control already in the mix. So I really just used the Eco Styler gel, but I'm gonna use some edge control for my edges right here in the front. Okay, sis, I think it turned out really cute. I'm not a professional. I think it needs a little bit more tweaking, but for my first time, I think I did a good job getting to it. I did off camera add some Got To Be Glue Free Spray because on my first little wrap, my little twisty thing that I did, I didn't wrap the canker-line hair around my real hair. So my real hair is right here at the top. So when I put on my shirt, it kind of just went everywhere. So I just kind of tucked it back in and sprayed some Got To Be Glue Free Spray so I can hold the hair down. So yeah, now girl, now I know next time to wrap my hair inside of the canker-line hair so my hair can, you know, whatever. But yeah, again, it still looks cute. Let me turn around so y'all can see the back. Oh, and then the side, girl, this side looks really good. Again, I'm not a professional, so don't talk crap about the back and the other side, but let me turn around. And this side could use a little bit more work, but you know, I think this side turns out really cute and the front turned out cute. It's just this side. I just need to work on my little twisting technique. But again, girl, I'm not a professional. It turned out super cute for, you know, for my first time. It is what it is. But yes, sis, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.